top of Europe, top of the world. I'm hungry. Time for a few photos. And then we head back, the long journey back.
Just there. Just there. Oh, here we go.
Let's roll. Gonna have to try and find shelter. I can't cycle on that road with them trucks. That's absolutely psycho. I really don't know what to do.
I'll get you home when you are tired.
Yeah, 250 kilometer detour or lose your life. What would you prefer? I'll take the 250 kilometer detour. That's the right answer. Well done. Well done. You win a cuddly toy. Nearly over, 130 kilometers in the bank, 17 to go. It's been a tough one, I can tell you that for sure. Well, good morning from the middle of, I don't know, somewhere. All right, let's do this, guys. This is day 39 heading back to Oslo. Let's see what happens. What a detour around the tunnel, fantastic. This, guys, I told you this place was magical, didn't I? Hello.
Right on the way.
Doing good? A vast open road. Meters above sea level, but you wouldn't think it. – 1,100 meters above sea level. The climbing has begun. Going up to 1,200 meters above sea level.
Right on the way.
We've just come down off the mountain now, so we're heading through the valley. Beautiful valley. We've got the E6 down there. Still makes me shake just looking at that road. So there's the E6 over there, and I'm on this. But whatever road keeps me off that dreaded E6, I'll take. Winner chicken dinner right now. We're doing a chicken dinner right now as well. We're in the middle of nowhere. Ooh, fancy. Well, it was going all so well, and then it just absolutely.
What a day. 163 kilometers today. Absolutely pissing it down for the last 5 kilometers. I just arrived at the campsite dripping wet, drenched. I came in and there's like an old lady there in the counter, and oh god, I could not have asked for a nicer person. She was just amazing.
Alright, good morning from the road. It's day 41. We are now 350 kilometers away from Oslo. Behind me I've got a massive rain cloud and it seems like it's just creeping up on me, so I'm going to cycle as fast as I can away from it. But now, 4th day in a row, it's been raining on me. So this is it, 600 meters, 4 to 5 kilometers. Last one, guys. Let's do this. Are the legs ready? Not really. Aye. Well, we've done 1.5 kilometers up this mountain. Hello. All good? Get out the fucking way! Oh, look at this guy. He's not moving. Oh, he's gonna move! Move! Look at them losers down there. Don't play chicken with Matthew. Going down, baby! We're going down! I go back up. What a bitch. ...242 kilometers away from Oslo. 242 kilometers away.
So it's two options. One, cycle 120 tomorrow, 120-ish the next day. Or I do it all in one day.
Good morning. 242 kilometers. Can we do it? That's the big question. Let's give it a go, eh?
Here we are, E6, nice and flat. It's 5:05 in the morning. This is day 42. Maybe the final day. Only my legs will know. 3.5 kilometers done. 20 kilometers done. All right, there's a sign. No cyclists allowed, no tractors either. God, and I have a tractor, that's a shame. Yeah, I have to turn off. Oh my, look how much I'm sweating. I just powered it down the E6, 24 kilometers. Come off now, we've now got a nice flat road, takes us through a town, and then all the way down to Lillehammer on a nice flat. There is the E6. Here is my road. How cool is this? There she is. Mjøsa, Norway's largest lake. Mjøsa, hey. She is a big boy, or big girl. She's a big girl, alright. Alright, so I'm on the dreaded road 4, which I talked about. Thought it wouldn't be very busy. Hello Mjøsa, my old friend. Lovely to see you again. I hope you're keeping well. I've been on a little trip. But I'll be honest with you, I've not met a bigger lake than you. Final 45 of the journey. Stay tuned. Next stop, Lillestrøm. Whew. I'm struggling. Here we go. 18.2 Oslo. 18.2. It. We're coming into land where we began the journey. We're gonna end. Look at this. The sun is shining. It was meant to be, eh? It was meant to be. So the plan was to show you what it's like to cycle in Norway. I feel there's just very little videos or information out there that really shows you how amazing this country is. It is the most beautiful country in the world. I don't believe there's another country that has this amount of incredible nature just spread out all over the country, and it's a phenomenal place to cycle around. And I hope that the videos have done that and shown you guys, you know, what can be done here and giving you lots of great information. And I hope it's motivated you. You know, you don't have to do a massive trip, a week, 2 weeks. Just come and check the place out. There's so many amazing places to experience. So yeah, so please leave a comment if you enjoyed the videos, and yeah, more are on the way, I can guarantee you that. So thanks for watching. This is the end of the big adventure. The adventure ends now.